There's one video in which I explain how you can conjugate verb être et avoir in present tense. That's what can help you to describe yourself very well. Adjective qualificative. That is what we're going to learn in this class today. When you say adjective, they are words that we use to describe things. You understand? So I want to take my time in this video and explain how you can use adjective qualificative in French. If today is your first time on my channel, my name is Dieudonné. On this channel, I will teach French language from basic level to advanced level. That is A1, A2, B1, B2. For anybody that want to learn French for any purpose, that depends. Maybe you want to pass an exam or you just want to learn it to be good in speaking the language. So I'm here to help you. Let us jump into the video and then how to use adjective qualificatif. Here nous avons adjectif qualificatif. Donc ici nous avons le français, that's the French adjective. You have English, that's the meaning, and then you have masculine et puis feminine. One thing you need to know when it comes to adjective in French is that the spelling of the adjective you use for masculine is sometimes different from the one you use for feminine. Not always, but some are different. So we need to focus on masculine and feminine when it comes to adjective in French. Okay, here we have gentil. Gentil. You have poli. You can say it after me. Gentil. Poli. Intelligent. Sympathique. Timide. Drôle. Sérieux. Calme. Patient. Travailleur. Paresseux. Fort. Grand. Petit. Beau. Jeune. Vieux. Heureux. Triste. Généreux. Ok, donc you can see the English in the front. Vous pouvez voir le français et l'anglais devant ici. Donc si on dit gentil, l'anglais c'est kind. Many people confuse gentil. In English they will say gentle. It's not correct. So gentil is a kind, good person. You understand? Okay, masculine, you see il est gentil. You see the spelling. But when it comes to feminine, you say elle est gentille. I'm just looking at the spelling of gentil here and gentil. So gentil here is kind. Gentil here is also kind, but the spelling is different. That's the gender. The person they are talking about is one that changes the spellings. Ok, nous avons poli, which is polite. Nous avons aussi intelligent, which is intelligent. You can also see their meaning in English, the masculine and feminine. So those are the things you need to look at. Don't forget, I'm going to send these particular documents. It will be in the comment section so you can download it. Okay, now let's move on with this adjective. After going through this adjective and you master them very well, you'll be able to describe yourself. That is what you're going to look at this place. All right, there's one video in which I explain how you can conjugate verb être and the verb avoir in present tense, because those are the things that can help you to describe yourself very well. So here we have my presentation. Je m'appelle Dieudonné, j'ai 27 ans et j'habite à Lomé. Je suis gentil et calme, je ne suis pas paresseux. Je suis travailleur, je suis aussi un peu timide, mais j'aime parler avec mes amis. Je suis heureux quand je passe du temps avec ma famille. You can see the structure on how I describe myself. So I want you to base on this structure and describe yourself also. But don't forget, you need to understand everything I'm saying here. That's my age, where I'm living, so things about myself. So please make sure as you are saying it about yourself, you also try your best to understand what you are saying. Now, if you know how to use adjective very well, they can also ask you to describe your family. That's what you have here. Parler de sa famille. Here